Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect HeroFX to MT5 in 2026. In order to do this, first of all, you need to open your Google Play Store or App Store. Over here in the search bar, you need to simply search for MT5. Now, when you are able to find the MT5 application, simply tap on the option of install. Then you need to download and install MT5 first on your device. After that, when you launch your MT5 application, you are going to see this type of interface. So here tap on the option of this plus icon. Now it is going to ask you to look for your broker. So in the search bar, you need to simply search for HeroFX. Now when you search for it, you will find this particular server which is from HeroFX and it is called HeroFX Limited. So when you tap on it, it is going to ask you to provide your login credentials of your existing account. So in order to get these credentials, you need to basically log in into your HeroFX account's dashboard. On your dashboard itself, you are going to get your MT5 login credentials. You can also look in the settings, and from there you need to get your login ID and the password associated with your MT5 account from HeroFX. Afterwards, you need to first of all copy the login ID, then you need to paste over here, then simply copy the password, then you need to paste it over here in the passwords section. After that, in the server, when you tap on the option of drop down menu, it is not going to show you anything, so you don't need to change anything over here. Just tap on the option of login and you will be able to easily connect your HeroFX account to MT5. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.